Hi. Welcome to the Quickworks YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how you access the discount feature of Quickrides, a seamless ride-hailing software by Quickworks. In the coupon subsection, the admin can see the details of a particular coupon like its image and its name. The module type of a coupon refers to the business module of that particular coupon. The code tab denotes the coupon code of a particular coupon. The user count represents the number of users who have successfully availed a coupon. The discount tab refers to the type and the value of the discount provided by the coupon. The description tab denotes the description of a coupon that was mentioned at the time at which the coupon was added. The start date and the end date refer to the starting and ending date of a particular coupon. The status tab represents the activity status of a particular coupon. The admin can change the status of a coupon from active to blocked and vice versa. The Action tab can help the admin to edit or delete a particular coupon. In the top right section of the discount feature, the admin will be able to see a search bar that will help to search for a particular coupon and deal. Alongside the search bar, an Add Coupon button is also present for adding a new coupon. To add a new coupon, the admin must add various details like coupon banner, coupon title, coupon code, and other details. After entering the required details, the admin can click the Add button to successfully add a new coupon. This video completes the discount feature for Quickrides. To know more about Quickrides, refer to our website given in the description box below.